Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 25 coolest gadgets for men that are sure to elevate your everyday experience. From high-tech smart devices to quirky and practical accessories, these gadgets are a perfect mix of innovation and fun. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, enhance your leisure time, or just add some cool tech to your life, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Heavy-duty wheel chocks. Keep your vehicle secure with these heavy-duty wheel chocks, designed to prevent any unwanted movement when parked. Made from high-quality, durable rubber, they're ideal for trucks, trailers, and RVs. They provide added safety when parking on slopes or uneven ground, ensuring your vehicle stays firmly in place. The chocks feature a non-slip base and a high-visibility design, so you'll never have trouble finding them. Whether you're at home, in the garage, or on the road, these wheel chocks provide peace of mind and extra protection for your vehicle. Off-road LED light kit. Take your off-road adventures to the next level with this off-road LED light kit. It features bright, high-intensity lights that cut through darkness, providing you with superior visibility in rugged terrains. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, the lights are shock-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof, ensuring they hold up in the toughest conditions. The kit includes everything you need for installation, and with its sleek, modern design, it enhances the look of your vehicle. Whether you're exploring back roads or hitting the trails, this LED light kit is a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Digital tire pressure gauge. Ensure your car's tires are always at the right pressure with this digital tire pressure gauge. Easy to use and highly accurate, this gauge provides a quick reading in seconds, helping you maintain optimal tire health. Its digital display is clear and easy to read, even in low-light conditions. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for checking tire pressure at home or on the go. Whether you're preparing for a long drive or simply checking your tire pressure regularly, this device ensures safety and performance at all times. USB car interior lights. Transform your car's interior with these USB car interior lights. These LED lights come in a set of strips that you can easily install around your car's interior, adding a cool and customizable glow. The lights are powered via USB, making them compatible with most vehicles. You can control the colors and brightness with a simple app or remote, setting the mood for any occasion. Whether you're cruising at night or just want to add a modern touch to your car's interior, these lights provide both style and functionality. Petrol Engine Compression Kit. The Petrol Engine Compression Kit is an essential tool for diagnosing engine issues and ensuring your vehicle is running at its best. This kit allows you to measure the compression in each cylinder of your engine, helping you detect leaks, valve issues, or potential engine problems. It's designed to work with most petrol engines and comes with easy-to-use adapters for various applications. Built with high-quality materials, this kit ensures accurate readings and long-lasting durability, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics who want to keep their engines in peak condition. Smitty-built XRC winch. When you're off-roading, the Smitty-built XRC winch is a tool you'll want in your arsenal. Designed for extreme durability, this winch offers a 9,500-pound pull capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty recovery operations. Its 6.6 HP motor and stainless steel construction ensure reliable performance, no matter how tough the conditions are. The kit includes a wired remote, so you can operate the winch from a safe distance. Whether you're stuck in the mud or need to pull another vehicle out, the Smitty-built XRC winch is a must-have for off-road enthusiasts who love exploring rugged terrain. Carbon fiber car wrap. Upgrade your vehicle's look with this carbon fiber car wrap.
This premium wrap is perfect for adding a sleek, modern touch to your car, truck, or motorcycle. It's designed to be easy to apply and remove without leaving any sticky residue behind. Made from high-quality vinyl, the wrap offers a durable finish that resists fading, scratches, and weathering. Whether you're looking to change the color of your car or add some cool accents, this carbon fiber wrap delivers a stylish, high-end appearance that enhances the overall look of your vehicle.
Hard-shell rooftop tent. Take your camping trips to the next level with this hard-shell rooftop tent. Designed to be mounted on your vehicle, this tent provides a comfortable and secure place to sleep, even in the wildest environments. With a hard-shell design, it's durable and weather-resistant, ensuring you stay dry and warm no matter the conditions. The tent opens and closes quickly for easy setup and packing, and it comes with a comfortable mattress for a good night's sleep. For adventurers who love the outdoors, this rooftop tent makes camping easier and more convenient than ever.
Bluetooth fiber optic lights. Add a futuristic touch to your car with these Bluetooth fiber optic lights. These LED lights are controlled via Bluetooth, allowing you to change colors and patterns directly from your phone or with a remote. The fiber optic strands can be easily installed along your vehicle's interior or exterior, offering endless customization options. Whether you want to create a vibrant glow or subtle ambiance, these lights add personality and style to your car. Durable and long-lasting, they're perfect for car enthusiasts who love making their vehicles stand out from the crowd. LED license plate lights. Make your car's license plate shine bright with these LED license plate lights. Designed for easy installation, these lights are energy efficient and provide bright, clear illumination. They're built to last with a durable, weather-resistant design that can withstand the elements. Not only do they enhance the visibility of your vehicle's plate, but they also add a modern, sleek look. Perfect for those who want to upgrade their vehicle's exterior or add some style to their car, these LED license plate lights combine functionality with a cool, high-tech appearance. Microfiber leather armrest cover. Protect your car's armrest with this stylish microfiber leather armrest cover. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, this cover offers a comfortable and durable surface for your armrest while preventing wear and tear. It's easy to install and fits most vehicles, offering a snug fit that stays in place. The soft, plush material feels great to the touch, and the sleek design adds a touch of luxury to your car's interior. Whether you're looking to refresh your car's look or protect your armrest from daily use, this cover is a simple yet effective solution. OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner. Diagnose your vehicle's health with the OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner. This powerful tool allows you to quickly and accurately read engine codes, reset check engine lights, and access detailed diagnostic data. It's compatible with most cars and light trucks manufactured after 1996, making it an essential tool for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts. The user-friendly interface provides easy-to-understand results so you can identify potential issues before they become costly repairs. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or performing routine maintenance, the OBD2 scanner is a must-have for keeping your vehicle in top condition.
Smart Car Air Diffuser. Upgrade your car's atmosphere with this Smart Car Air Diffuser. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, it disperses essential oils into the air, helping you maintain a fresh, relaxing environment while driving. The diffuser features adjustable settings for scent intensity and even includes color-changing LED lights for an added mood boost. It's simple to use and can be powered via USB, making it a great option for any vehicle. Whether you're looking to de-stress or just keep your car smelling great, this smart air diffuser offers both function and style for your daily drives.
Premium Hex Bit Socket Set. The Premium Hex Bit Socket Set is perfect for anyone who enjoys working on vehicles or DIY projects. This set includes a range of hex bit sockets made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and strength. The sockets are designed to fit perfectly with power tools and hand tools, making your tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're tackling a car repair or assembling furniture, this set will save you time with its wide variety of sizes and superior construction. A must-have for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable, long-lasting tools.
Retractable carport shelter. Protect your vehicle from the elements with the retractable carport shelter. This portable, durable shelter is easy to set up and take down, providing shade and protection from rain, snow, or intense sunlight. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and keep your vehicle safe. The retractable design allows for flexibility, so you can adjust the shelter to fit different vehicle sizes. Perfect for those without a garage or anyone who needs extra protection for their vehicle, this carport shelter is a practical and convenient solution.
Heavy-duty trailer plug. The heavy-duty trailer plug is a must-have for anyone who frequently tows trailers. Built with durability in mind, this plug ensures a reliable and secure connection between your vehicle and trailer, preventing issues with electrical systems. The plug is weatherproof, ensuring it holds up against rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. It's designed to fit most towing setups and is easy to install, making it an ideal solution for both everyday and heavy-duty use. Whether you're towing equipment or going on a road trip, this heavy-duty trailer plug is an essential accessory for any driver. Portable tire inflator pump. Never get caught with flat tires again with the portable tire inflator pump. This compact, easy-to-use pump can quickly inflate tires for cars, bikes, or even sports equipment, ensuring you're always ready to go. Powered by your vehicle's 12-volt outlet, it's perfect for on-the-go use. The pump features a digital display with preset pressure settings, so you can easily monitor and set the desired inflation level. Whether you're at home or on the road, this portable tire inflator ensures your tires stay properly inflated for maximum safety and performance. Third brake light for F-150. Enhance the safety of your Ford F-150 with this third brake light. Designed for a seamless fit, it ensures visibility from all angles, reducing the risk of rear-end collisions. The high-quality LED light is bright and energy efficient, offering long-lasting performance. It's easy to install, requiring no special tools or modifications. Whether you're driving in the city or on long trips, this brake light adds an extra layer of safety. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with this reliable and durable third brake light that ensures you're always seen, no matter the conditions.
Microfiber leather steering cover. Add a touch of comfort and style to your vehicle's interior with this microfiber leather steering cover. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, it provides a soft, luxurious feel while offering a secure grip for improved control. It protects your steering wheel from wear and tear, ensuring it looks new for longer. The cover is designed to fit most steering wheels and is easy to install without any hassle. Perfect for those who want to add both protection and style to their car, this steering wheel cover is a practical upgrade for any vehicle.
Smart Car Battery Charger. Keep your car battery in top shape with the Smart Car Battery Charger. This innovative charger features automatic charging, ensuring your battery is charged to the optimal level without overcharging. With a user-friendly interface, it offers multiple charging modes, making it suitable for various battery types. The charger also includes safety features like reverse polarity protection and overcurrent protection, keeping both you and your vehicle safe. Whether you need to jumpstart your car or maintain battery health, this smart charger is a must-have for any car owner looking for reliability and peace of mind.
Smart Car LED lights. Brighten up your car's interior with these Smart Car LED lights. Designed for easy installation, these lights offer a customizable and dynamic lighting experience that can be controlled via an app or remote. You can change colors, adjust brightness, and set different modes to create the perfect ambiance. The energy-efficient LEDs are long-lasting and durable, providing excellent illumination without draining your car's battery.
Whether you want to add a modern touch to your car's interior or create a cool atmosphere, these smart LED lights are a simple and effective upgrade.
Power inverter car charger. Convert your car's 12-volt DC power to 110-volt AC with this power inverter car charger. This handy device allows you to charge laptops, phones, and other electronic devices while on the road. It features multiple outlets and USB ports for convenience, so you can charge several devices at once. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it's built to withstand heavy use. Whether you're on a road trip or simply need power on the go, this inverter ensures you can stay connected and powered up no matter where the road takes you.
Memory foam seat cushion. Experience comfort like never before with this memory foam seat cushion. Designed to support your lower back and tailbone, this cushion helps alleviate pressure and improve posture during long drives. The high-quality memory foam conforms to your body, providing personalized comfort and support. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move between vehicles or use at home or work. Whether you're commuting, taking a road trip, or just need extra comfort, this seat cushion ensures that you can drive longer without discomfort or pain. Retractable iPhone car charger. This retractable iPhone car charger is the perfect solution for keeping your phone powered up while driving. The retractable design helps prevent tangled cords, making it easier to store when not in use. It features fast charging capabilities, so your device gets powered quickly while you're on the move. The compact size makes it ideal for travel, and it's compatible with most iPhone models. Whether you're navigating on a road trip or staying connected during your commute, this charger ensures your phone is always ready for anything. Wireless CarPlay screen stereo. Upgrade your car's entertainment system with this wireless CarPlay screen stereo. This sleek, high-quality screen allows you to seamlessly integrate your iPhone with your car's infotainment system. You can access apps, navigation, music, and more, all without needing any wires. The large, responsive touchscreen offers clear visuals, and the Bluetooth connectivity makes it simple to connect your phone. Whether you're making hands-free calls, streaming music, or using GPS, this wireless CarPlay stereo adds a modern touch to your car's interior while keeping you connected on the road. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found some awesome gadgets to upgrade your collection. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and let me know which gadget you're most excited about. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest product reviews. Also, check out the links in the description for more info and the best deals.